Hello, good day, viewers. Here is another interesting words problem question related to arithmetic progression and geometric progression. The question reads, PQR are numbers between 2 and 18, such that P plus Q plus R equal to 25, then 2PQ are arithmetic sequence, and QR18 are geometric sequence. We are asked to find the values of P, Q, and R. All right, let's get started. First of all, let me bring this equation down. We have that P plus Q plus R equal to 25. And according to the question, this is an arithmetic progression sequence. You know that in arithmetic progression sequence, we have a constant common difference. Therefore, this minus this must be equal to this minus this. So let us form another equation. P minus 2 is equal to Q minus P. P minus 2 equal to Q minus P. Right? We can collect the like times. If you bring this one backward, it becomes positive. You take this one to the other side, it becomes positive. If P crosses over, it becomes plus. We have P plus P equal to 2P. And this is equal to Q plus 2. This is another important equation. And from this equation, you can see we don't have anything as 2P. And hence, we can multiply every single term here by 2, just obtain 2P. Therefore, from this, we can have 2 times P, which is 2P, plus 2 times Q, which is 2Q, 2 times R, which is 2R, equal to 25 times 2, which is 50. So we can substitute this into this because we have 2P here and 2P here equal to Q plus 2. Therefore, Q plus 2, which is the same thing as 2P, then we have plus 2Q plus 2R equals 50. Let us collect the like times. Q plus 2Q will give us 3Q. Then we have 2R. If you take this one to the other side, it becomes negative. 50 minus 2 is 48. This is another important equation. All right, let's go back to the main question. We have learned that this is a geometric progression sequence. Therefore, in geometric progression sequence, we have a constant common ratio, right? So this divide by this will be equal to this divide by this. What does that mean? It means R divided by Q is equal to Q divided by R. R divided by Q, right? Yeah, then equal to 18 divided by R. You can cross multiply. We have R squared equal to 18Q, another important equation. But if you observe, we have 18Q here, but we have 3Q here. How can we transform this into 18? By multiplying by 6. So let us multiply every single term here by 6. If you do that, you're going to obtain 6 times 3, 18Q, plus 6 times 2, 12R, equal to 6 times 48 is 288. Another important equation, which we can plug this into this one. Wherever we have 18Q, we are going to replace it with R squared, because R squared equal to 18Q, right? So instead of 18Q, we have R squared plus 12R. We can bring this one backward. It becomes negative 288, and the whole of this equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation, which we can solve for R. But remember that R must be positive number between 2 down to 18, according to the question. This is a quadratic equation that can be factorized. Two numbers that can be multiplied together to get negative 288. But when you add them together, you get positive 12. The numbers are negative 12 and positive 24. So we have R minus 12 multiplied by R plus 24. If you multiply these two numbers together, you must get negative 288. But when you add them together, you get positive 12. And by setting each factor here to be 0, it is either R equal to 12 or R equal to negative 24. But remember that r is positive, therefore r must be equal to 12. And hence we have just obtained the value of r. So do we have any equation written in terms of r? Let's go back. All right, we have r squared equal to 18q. We can use that equation to find q since we have the value of r. R squared equal to 18q. R is 12, so we have 12 squared equal to 18q. 12 squared is 144 equal to 18q. And to make q the subject, we divide both sides by 18. Therefore, q equal to 144 divided by 18. And 144 divided by 18 is equal to 8. Hence, q is equal to 8. The only thing we need to find again is p. Do you have any equation written in terms of p? Yes, we have another one here which stated that 2p is equal to q plus 2. 2p equal to q plus 2. But we know that q is 8, so we can substitute it here. We have 2p equal to 8 plus 2. 2p equal to 10. If you divide both sides by 2, you have p to be equal to 5. And hence we have the values of p, q, and r. Let us write them here. P, q, r equals, for p we have 5, for q we have 8, for r we have, is it 12? Yes, 12. And hence this is the solution to this problem, 5, 8, and 12 respectively for the values of p, q, and r. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. But if you so wish, you can test them, because they say that p plus q plus r equal to 25. You can confirm this plus this is 20 plus 5 is 25. Hence, this is true. Bye-bye.